Are you tired of worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food while cooking rice? It's a real concern that many of us don't even think about when using traditional cookware. Toxic materials can quietly compromise your family's health, releasing harmful substances every time you cook. But what if there was a solution that didn't just make perfect rice, but also kept your loved ones safe from potential health risks? That's exactly what we're exploring today. The top 5 non-toxic rice cookers that combine safety, performance, and convenience. And stick around till the end because we've got exclusive links and discounts waiting for you in the description. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5 is a true technological gem from Korea, the CUCKOO CR655F. This rice cooker doesn't just make rice, it's an experience in modern cooking. With its generous 12-cup capacity, it's designed for families big and small. But what truly catches your eye is its sleek LED display. It looks simple, doesn't it? Yet, we all know looks can be deceiving. Now, let's talk about that self-cleaning feature. Sounds like a dream, right? Some users rave about it, while others aren't so impressed. And while the non-stick inner pot promises easy cleanup, durability might leave you scratching your head. Then there's fuzzy logic technology. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. This smart tech adjusts cooking time and temperature on its own, but let's face it, even the smartest tools can sometimes have hiccups. Here's where the CUCKOO really shines: its versatility. From classic white rice to hearty brown rice, creamy oats, and even homemade cake, this cooker isn't afraid to go the extra mile. Plus, turbo mode and timer settings make it a time saver. But the real question is, can it consistently deliver quality? With over 40 years of expertise, CUCKOO brings reliability to the table. But as we all know, even a great track record isn't a guarantee. Sliding into the 4th spot on our list is the Tianji ceramic electric rice cooker, a product that redefines eco-friendly cooking. Imagine a rice cooker designed with your family's health in mind, using a full ceramic inner pot for a completely non-toxic experience. Sounds promising, doesn't it? But let's dig deeper, because in the world of kitchen appliances, promises alone aren't enough. The ceramic construction eliminates the worry of harmful chemical coatings leaching into your food. That's a relief, right? But here's the catch: ceramic isn't indestructible. Let's be honest, accidental drops happen, and fragility might be a concern. Plus, the inability to use it on an open flame might feel limiting for some. Now about the design. Its stereo heating and curved bottom certainly sound innovative. Could this be the secret to consistently better rice? It's a question worth exploring. With a 3-liter capacity and 6 versatile functions, this rice cooker aims to do more than just rice: porridge, soups, and more. But as we know, doing it all doesn't always mean doing it perfectly. Customer feedback paints a mixed picture. Some users rave about its quality and ease of use, while others have encountered hiccups along the way. So, is this the eco-friendly upgrade your kitchen needs? It depends on what you value most: health-focused innovation or all-around perfection. Landing at number 3 is the Instant Pot Duo, a multifunctional powerhouse that goes way beyond just cooking rice. Curious yet? With 7 functions rolled into one sleek device, it's like having a kitchen assistant that never takes a break. But let's be honest, can it truly excel at everything? Here's where things get exciting: pressure cooking up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Imagine whipping up hearty meals in record time. It's a bold claim, and while many users sing its praises for speed and versatility, you might wonder, does faster mean sacrificing quality? Now, the 13 customizable smart programs? Those are a game changer for variety. From tender ribs to decadent desserts, it's like having a whole cookbook built into your appliance. But let's keep it real. Learning the ins and outs of so many features can feel overwhelming at first. One thing you can count on is safety. With over 10 protective mechanisms, the Instant Pot Duo offers peace of mind for busy households. And the durable stainless steel construction? That's built to last, not to mention the convenience of dishwasher-safe components. Still, with all those features packed in, you might wonder, does more mean more things to go wrong? Coming in at number 2 is the Reishunger digital rice cooker, a creation of German precision engineering that promises to elevate your cooking game. With 7 special rice modes and 12 programs, it's not just a rice cooker, it's like a culinary command center in your kitchen. Intrigued? Let's dig in. Now here's where it gets fascinating. 7-phase cooking technology. It's designed to lock in nutrients and deliver rice with that perfect, fluffy consistency we all dream about. Sounds incredible, right? But in the world of kitchen gadgets, bold claims are just that, claims. What makes this stand out is the intuitive operation and a well-lit display, making it feel approachable even for those who aren't tech-savvy. But let's be honest, user-friendly doesn't always mean foolproof, and everyone's learning curve is a little different. The ceramic-coated inner pot with double non-stick protection? That's a premium touch. Add in 3D heat distribution for even cooking, and it's clear this rice cooker aims to impress. While some users rave about flawless results, others feel it falls short of the hype. Is it worth the investment? That depends on your expectations. Claiming the top spot on our list is the GreenPan Bistro, a rice cooker that's more than just an appliance. It's a bold statement for anyone who values health-conscious cooking without compromising on performance. Curious to find out why it's number one? Let's dive in. At its core, the Thermalon Volt ceramic nonstick coating addresses one of the biggest concerns in modern kitchens: toxic cookware. No PFAS, no PFOA, no lead, no cadmium. It's a design that puts your family's health first, and that's something we can all appreciate. With 5 simple presets tailored to different grains, this cooker clearly prioritizes ease of use. But what's truly fascinating is its induction technology, which transforms the entire inner bowl into a heat source. Doesn't that sound like something out of a culinary science lab? Of course, it doesn't stop there. The fuzzy logic technology promises to fine-tune your cooking automatically for optimal results. But let's be real. Even the smartest tech can have its hiccups. The soup function and delay timer offer great flexibility, though some users mention the touch controls can take a little patience to master. Check the description for direct links and more details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!